The Bugatti La Voiture Noir has found a new home. This young YouTuber has content to rival with Shmee, and this small YouTube channel is making the first manual Mk5 Supra. All of this and more in today's video of Sinclair News. What's up, all you beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. Today we have an action-packed episode for you guys, but before we get into the news, just want to let you guys know we're still doing our $100 giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. So if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down there or down there, wherever it may be, because it's free. And with that being said, let's get into our first story. Our first story today has arisen from an Instagram photo posted by the well-known Arab man B14. Now, if you know this guy, you know he owns almost every single hypercar there is out there to own, including the LaFerrari Aperta, LaFerrari Pagani Huayra Roadster, and of course the Veneno Roadster that has been finally getting driven around the whole world, as a matter of fact, more. He may have just leaked that he purchased the one-off, I believe, $18 million Bugatti La Voiture Noire that we saw at the Geneva Motor Show last year. I'm gonna put the picture up on the screen right now. No caption was left on this photo, but a lot of speculation is to be had if he owns the car, or he's looking at it, or if it's just a picture he posted on Instagram. Because very few of you may know, or all of you may know, that he actually was the original owner of the Bugatti Vision GT, which now resides in Orange County, California. So, do you think that B14 has purchased this one-off $18 million Bugatti, or is it just another Instagram post checking out how cool the car actually is? Let me know in the comment section below. On to our second story. Our second story today comes from a smaller YouTube channel called Soren Swift, and this guy is absolutely killing the game. Has way less subs than he should. I believe he's at 128 subs right now, which is crazy for the content that he's putting out. I looked through his videos. He has some content with the 2020 Corvette, which I haven't even seen yet. He's ridden home from school in a Lamborghini and seen the Aston Martin Valkyrie or Valhalla or whatever it is these days. So if you guys are looking for an awesome YouTube channel to support, this kid is good and upcoming, posts some quality content, not just throwing bad videos up on the internet. I promise you won't be disappointed. Go check out Soren Swift's YouTube channel, and hopefully we can get him some more subscribers from this one, because I know when I was that small, I would have loved to have the confidence of the people supporting you that I have now. So what are you waiting for? Go click the link in the description to subscribe to my boy Soren Swift. Also, with that being said, I took you guys recommendations from the last video comment section, and we will be putting all the channels links in the description. I feel like that was a really good idea, and I don't know why I wasn't doing that in the first place. So just wanted to let you guys know I read all the comments, I try to reply to all the comments, and I'll definitely make changes if you guys want to see some changes on the channel. But now, on to our third story. Our third story today comes from a YouTube channel called European Auto Group. These guys are based out there in San Antonio, Texas, and they are taking it upon themselves to make the first manual Mk5 Supra. I think should have been an option from the factory, but I'm super excited to see their build process on their channel. I believe it's almost done, and they're trying to get it done before SEMA for the big unveil. So If you guys are interested in seeing some manual Supra content, how to convert the automatic to the manual Mk5 Supra, they have a bunch of videos on their channel, and hopefully I reached out to them and they said that I can come film a vlog with it after they get back from SEMA. So you know, right when that opportunity arises for me, I'll be hauling butt over to San Antonio and filming a vlog for you guys for the first manual Mk5 Supra in the world. They've also converted the only 6-speed manual F430 Scuderia, I believe. I believe their Instagram is Gated6, but go check them out. That is some crazy content, and I know that I would want to see some manual Supra content just like the Mark IV make the legendary Mark V. Well guys, I believe that is all for today. As always, it's a pleasure talking with you guys. Thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. I'm so happy for the support we're getting on these news videos. They're a little shorter than the regular vlogs, but I feel like you guys don't need a 10-15 minute video explaining all the things going on in today's news. Don't worry guys, if you guys are missing the actual vlog content tomorrow, Cars and Coffee Houston is going on. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. So if you didn't know that and you're wanting to go, Cars and Coffee Houston is tomorrow morning, and then there will be a Sends video tomorrow, and then the vlog on Sunday, and we will continue our regular news on Monday. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and remember, watch the best and skip the rest. You guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.